Meantime, a Lakeville establishment continues to ignore the governor's current shutdown orders for restaurants and bars.
And today, the owner faced a contempt of court hearing for her actions. Fox 9's Paul Bloom live from Lakeville tonight with more on this one. Paul.
Kelsey and Amy, Alibi Drinkery back open today as we await a court ruling on this contempt matter that could, in theory, put the owner behind bars.
The court, in its discretion, can issue contempt in either by fines or imprisonment. We are seeking fines.
Assistant Attorney General Elizabeth Odette laying out the state's case against Alibi Drinkery owner Lisa Monet Zarza. Zarza, who has kept her downtown Lakeville bar and restaurant open, defying state and court orders regarding COVID-19, did not speak during a virtual contempt hearing on Tuesday.
I think you should give her a break, Your Honor, and give her an ultimatum and give her a certain time frame to close her business in light of your previous orders.
You know, it's not just about whether or not people can go to bars, but it's just as much about whether or not people who have heart attacks or car crashes can find a place in an emergency room in a hospital.
Dakota County Judge Jerome Abrams expressed his frustration with Zarza for continuing to allow in-person dining and drinking despite the state's current pandemic restrictions. Her attorney, Mike Padden, arguing Zarza has no choice as she faces potential financial ruin, also questioning the science and data behind Minnesota's COVID death counts that Padden suggested officials use to justify business closures and restrictions. The Attorney General's office arguing for significant penalties to compel Zarza to shut down. Meantime, her customers insist they'll keep showing up.
We're just supporting her for freedom, basically, behind her, you know, to do her constitutional rights and open up her place and save her small business, which she's fighting for.
And Mark Sullivan right there, one of about a couple dozen people who showed up at Alibi during the lunch rush. Again, still waiting on what the judge wants to do here in terms of contempt of court punishment. Meantime, we already know that the Department of Public Safety plans to revoke Alibi's liquor license for 5 years. Reporting live in downtown Lakeville tonight, Paul Bloom, Fox 9.